Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a GE Universal Remote, just like this one right here, that is not changing channels properly or not changing channels at all. I'll be going over how to fix it easily in a very simplistic tutorial with 5 simple steps. Hopefully one of these steps works for you. Let's get right into this video. I'm going to try and make this short and sweet and stick to the point, so let's get into this. The first thing that you want to sort of try out, or ask yourself at least, is are you pointing it to the cable box? Now, back in the day, for the most part, people had cable connected to their TV and they would control the channels through their TV. So depending on your age and sort of the last time that you were connecting your own TV devices and stuff, you might think that you control your channels through your TV, and maybe that's the case, but most likely you control your channels through a separate cable box, like a DVR box of some sort, most likely. So are you pointing it at the cable box or the TV, okay? If you control your channels through a cable box, if you have a cable box connected, point the remote at the cable box, okay? Don't point it at the TV. Try that out. Just give it a try. That's solution number 1. Point it at the cable box. Solution number 2 is, do you have the right device selected? So many times with these remotes, you might have just finished, turning the volume up on the sound bar, so you have your sound bar selected, and you're pushing channel up, channel down, and it's not working because your sound bar probably doesn't have any channels. So make sure you select the correct device, whether that's your TV, your DVR, or anything else. Make sure you select the right device. Do you have the right device selected? Ask yourself that question. If not, select the right device. Solution number 3 is to try pressing the channel numbers with the number pad. So I know you're probably just, trying to do channel up and down, which is totally fine, but try pressing the channel numbers. If you can press channel numbers and they work, but your channel up and down doesn't work, then it's not a problem with the remote necessarily. It's not a problem with the TV. It's most likely a problem with the code that you used. Some codes will work for certain features of the device, but not all features of the device. So try repairing it with a different code. Now, obviously, if your channel up and down worked yesterday and it doesn't work today, but these numbers still work, then yeah, it's not the code because it worked yesterday. So repairing it won't really make a difference, but just try repairing it with a different code. And yeah, that leads me to number 4, which is try pairing it with a different code. Number 3 was see if the numbers work and not the channel up and down. And then number 4 is sort of combine them. Number 4 was try pairing it with a different code, or even try repairing it with the same code that you originally used. Just give it a try. Probably won't make a difference, but it's worth a shot. Last but not least is solution number 5, which is if nothing else works, factory reset the remote and pair it again. Okay? Factory resetting it is easy to do. I've already done a whole separate video on factory resetting this remote. Super easy. It takes, honestly, like probably 30 seconds, maybe a minute if you're even watching the video while you do it. It's super easy to do. Maybe a minute, no more than 2 minutes, okay? Literally, even if you're like really confused, 2 minutes, you're gonna have it done. Very, very quick, but probably 15 seconds to be honest with you. It's that easy. It's literally 3 buttons. I'll tell you how to do it right. Okay, you know what? I'll tell you how to do it right now. As far as I remember, I had the instructions written down. As far as I remember, you press and hold the setup button down. You release it once this light is illuminated solidly red. Then you're going to press and release the mute button quickly and press and release the 0 button quickly. That light's going to blink twice and you factory reset it. It's that easy, okay? So there you go. I saved you from watching that whole other video. You're welcome, my people, my subscribers, my fans. I'm just joking. Who am I? My fans? Who am I? Anyways, basically, if it's not changing channels, those are the 5 solutions. The last one, once again, is factory reset it. I told you how to do it, and just pair it again after it's been factory reset. Just pair it again. Try a different code, try the same code, just experiment. But that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial on a GE Universal Remote, not changing channels, how to fix it easily, please be sure to give it a nice, awesome thumbs up, or 2 thumbs up if you want. That's what floats your boat. I'm kidding. You can't really give it 2 thumbs up. You can only give it 1. So please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as an awesome comment. And of course, please be sure to subscribe for more fantastic videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.